know you make me float, boy, you really give me
Welcome back to a new YouTube video. If you guys are new here, my name is Susie. I hope you guys subscribe and stick to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can read by the title, we are washing my car. If you guys need somebody to wash your car, just don't call me, okay? Because I'm not gonna do it. This is like a once in a year type thing, so I don't know, my car is crusty, musty, dusty. So let me show you guys how it looks. First of all, look at how dusty this is. Look at that, just dust everywhere. It's so bad. So this is the inside of my car. I just have trash and like stuff like this going on in here. Mind you, I haven't driven my car or drove my car in like a long time. This is trash right here, and then my daughter's car seat. She's not old enough to eat like big things, crackers and stuff, so it's not too bad. As you guys can tell by even there, like there's trash there. Not by me, I promise. I'm not doing it like that. It's been time. Let's go ahead and start washing this car because I don't know how long it's gonna take. My daughter is napping, so we gotta hurry it up, y'all. So let me show you guys maybe the front, and then that would be it. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's mine. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby.
Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere they going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at herself cause she can't leave me alone. Gossip get messy, it ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world, over the phone dropping tears.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away.
These birds better not poop on my car right now.
Get left in the dust, no room to judge. Talking business, no trouble. Lips first touch, lips first touch. Get left in the dust, no room to judge, no room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted. Hey, give me a penny.
picture me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, play the game. Should've never for giving it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt.
So I just came in for some paper towels. I pretty much finished cleaning like the outside of the car. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick like the outside and what I've done. My camera died, so I had to come in and charge it. So let's go outside. I'm in the process of cleaning those tires. Oh, shit.
Do it all the time. Keep your guards up, or wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy. You know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself. There's murder. What's the word now? Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
My newbies look like Halle Berry.
Okay, you guys, so now I am gonna go ahead and clean my rearview mirror. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in a little. Oh yeah. Okay, you guys, so I am almost done. I know I look a little bit crazy, but guys, I'm like all up in the sun. My hair is a mess. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up. I already finished vacuuming. I'll show you guys how the car looks and everything once I'm actually I'm done with everything. But right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish dusting off the inside of my car, taking out all the trash, like everything that I don't need, basically just throwing it away, and then pretty much finishing up this video. I am sorry if the quality and the audio is all over the place. My camera died on me and I don't have any storage, so I have to use my phone. It's all good though. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. It was very tiring, but I'm almost done and then we will finish up. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm doing here, what I'm fixing up. So I already took out all the trash. Look at all this trash that I have in here. I have all this, my mask for when I used to put them on. They're all dirty anyway. I got change. I got this thing. This thing is gonna go back here because oh, look at all this trash that I find in my cup holders. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up and just do some type of, okay, never mind. Okay, that one broke too. This is my daughter's camera that I use. This is supposed to like sit and it just doesn't. Like, I'm not sure why. This thing right here, it doesn't stick on there. I don't know. My neighbors are out here having a party and not inviting me and my family. Like, it's been quite a while since I've done this. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these type of videos. If you are new to my channel, like I said, my name is Susie. I hope you guys enjoy this video and stick around, and if you want to see more of me, definitely subscribe to my channel. Just painted on my leg. Look at how dirty this whole section is. Please. All this trash away. I just went upstairs to go get the stuff that I need to finalize this. I am gonna put this in my car. It's the Febreze Ocean. The scent smells so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. And then I'm gonna put this tree on here and I'm gonna hang it. I don't know, it's called Bayside Breeze. I don't know how this one smells, but let me go ahead and smell it. It smells so good. I love fresh, clean scents, and this is probably one of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one, and now my car smells so good and clean.
Take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, I've been on my empty mind.
Okay, you guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video very much. It was really fun to just be outside. It was really good weather. It was a good day. Don't worry about her. She's fine. But yeah, we are going to shower this baby because she is ready for her nap and probably a snack. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and again, I apologize if the audio and the quality is like all over the place. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.